You've probably been there, waiting for a website to load, only to be greeted with a frustrating error message or a "not available in your region" notice. It's like hitting a digital wall, right? But what if you didn't have to deal with these roadblocks? What if there was a way to surf the web freely, access any content, and never face those restrictions again? Sounds like a game changer, doesn't it? Stick around. We're about to show you how to make that happen. Now let's talk about how you can make all of this possible. Meet Smartproxy, your ultimate sidekick in the online world. Think of it as your personal gateway, unlocking the internet's full potential with ease. Whether you're working on data scraping, testing different locations, or just looking to browse without borders, Smartproxy's got you covered. With thousands of IPs and locations to choose from, it's like having a VIP pass to the web, no matter where you are. Ready to break free from restrictions? Click the link in the description below and let Smartproxy do the heavy lifting for you. Now that you know what's possible, let's dive into what makes Smartproxy your go-to solution for all things proxies. When it comes to proxies, Smartproxy doesn't settle for one-size-fits-all. Instead, it offers a lineup of 5 specialized proxy types to cater to every online need. First, residential proxies provide access to over 55 million real IPs in 195+ locations worldwide, including coverage of all 50 US states. These are perfect for tasks requiring genuine-looking traffic, such as web scraping and ad verification. Next, the static residential proxies step in with the unbeatable speed and stability of ISP-grade IPs. If consistency is key for your projects, these proxies deliver unmatched performance without compromising on reliability. For those working in the mobile domain, Smartproxy offers a pool of over 10 million ethically sourced mobile IPs, covering 160+ locations and 700+ ASNs. These mobile proxies provide trusted connections ideal for managing social media accounts or performing mobile-specific tests. If speed is your top priority, the data center proxies bring incredible stability and lightning-fast performance with access to 500,000+ IPs globally, making them perfect for high-volume scraping or large-scale automation. And then there's the Site Unblocker, Smartproxy's secret weapon for accessing even the most challenging websites. It's built to bypass sophisticated anti-bot systems, ensuring smooth and real-time data extraction from heavily protected sites. With such a diverse and powerful proxy arsenal, Smartproxy ensures you have the exact tool you need to tackle any challenge, whether you're just starting out or managing advanced operations. While proxies are essential for securing your online activity and managing your IPs, Smartproxy goes even further with powerful scraping tools that make extracting valuable data simple and reliable. Let's take a look at these. Their social media scraping API allows you to extract structured, real-time data from platforms like Facebook and Twitter, perfect for tracking trends or competitor activity. With the SERP scraping API, you can effortlessly gather data from search engines like Google for SEO and rank tracking. The e-commerce scraping API simplifies gathering product and pricing information from online stores with a single request. And for general data collection, the web scraping API ensures 100% success, allowing you to gather relevant data from across the web. These scraping solutions integrate seamlessly with Smartproxy's proxies, making it a complete toolkit for all your data extraction needs, from small projects to large-scale operations. On top of these powerful scraping and proxy solutions, Smartproxy also offers handy tools that make managing your online operations even easier. Let's explore some of their free tools that complement everything else. The X browser is perfect for running multiple accounts simultaneously, giving you separate environments to avoid risks. For quick proxy management, the Chrome proxy extension and Firefox add-on integrate directly into your browser, letting you switch IPs in a few clicks. And with the proxy checker, you can test large lists of proxies to ensure reliability without hassle. These tools aren't just convenient, they're designed to save you time and simplify your workflow, making Smartproxy an even more complete solution for all your online needs. With all these features at your fingertips, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, Smartproxy offers flexible pricing to fit your needs, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Residential proxies start at just $2.2 per gigabyte, with a free trial to get you started. Static residential proxies are available from $2 per IP, while mobile proxies start at $6 per gigabyte. Data center proxies are an incredibly cost-effective choice, starting as low as $0.09 per IP. For more specialized tasks, the site unblocker provides reliable access from $1.6 per 1,000 requests. When it comes to scrapers, Smartproxy delivers outstanding value. The social media scraping API starts at $0.9 per 1,000 requests, the e-commerce scraping API from $1.1, and the SERP scraping API from $1.3 per 1,000 requests. The web scraping API is the most budget-friendly, starting at just 52 cents per 1,000 requests. With these features and flexible pricing, Smartproxy is the ultimate solution for your proxy and scraping needs. Ready to get started? Click the link to explore more and find the perfect plan for you. That's how easy it is to unlock the web with Smartproxy. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content. Got a question or a request for a new video? Drop a comment below. I'm all ears. And if you're ready to take your browsing to the next level, click the link in the description to get started with Smartproxy today. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.